Good morning, students. In this chapter, we had read that the writer of the story went to visit her cousin Supriya in France. And while coming from airport to Supriya's house, she observed a lot many things, and Supriya also added few more details about France. Now the writer observed Eiffel Tower, which she had seen previously on postcards. So it is written here, we drove past the Eiffel Tower and I noticed that it looked more beautiful than it did on postcards. The Eiffel Tower represents France like the Taj Mahal represents India, Supriya commented. Now the writer observed Eiffel Tower which she had seen previously on postcards, and whenever we see something in real, we find that the particular thing is more vibrant and beautiful in reality. And that's why she told that it really looked more beautiful in reality. Then Supriya replied that like the way Taj Mahal represents India, the same way Eiffel Tower represents France, as both are unique in itself and beautiful as well as eye-catching. After that, she is saying that Paris is a beautiful old city. And I love the white stone buildings that gleam means to shine brightly in the sun. People here love the outdoors, the parks and gardens. Paris is a beautiful old city and she loved the white stone buildings that were shining brightly in the sun. She also observed that people of France used to love parks and gardens. And the children also used to love the garden and the parks. So some parks have ponds where children sail toy boats, and you'll find rows of trees and flowers everywhere. Some trees are trimmed so that they look like huge green lollipops. So some parks were having ponds where children used to sail toy boats to entertain themselves. To entertain themselves, they used to sail toy boats, as you can see in the picture also. And as in the picture, you can see there are n numbers of trees and flowers in a row, and they are of equal shape and size that it look like green big lollipops, means oval or round in shape, you can say. Furthermore, she added, based on her experience, that the people of France, furthermore, she added, based on her experience of watching France while going from airport to Supriya's house, that the city is very neat and clean. Well, it seems like the people of Paris are proud of their city. They keep it so clean, I had to remark, because I didn't see any litter on the streets. That's why tourists love to visit the city, and Paris, being the capital, is well connected to other parts of the country, so travel is no problem at all. So further she added this, that the city is very neat and clean, as she didn't find any litter or garbage on the streets. It was so beautiful, as we are only responsible for making our city dirty by throwing the garbage here and there. But unlike us, people of France are very serious and concerned about the cleanliness of their city. And along with this, there are other reasons also why tourists love to visit this place, as Paris, which is the capital of France, is connected to other parts of the country in convenient way. So traveling here from different parts of the country is not problematic. After that, after reaching to Supriya's flat, we reached Supriya's flat. From the window I saw the Seine, the river that wind Paris like a wet grey ribbon. I noticed pavement cafes where people sat at little tables outdoors, eating, drinking, and talking. It all looked very pretty. After reaching to Supriya's flat, she saw the scene of a river with twists and curves. Here, winds means twists and curves through Paris like a wet grey ribbon, and she noticed pavement cafes where people were sitting at little tables outside and they were eating, drinking, and talking together. And this unity and togetherness was so impressive, and it all looked very pretty, beautiful, and nice to Supriya. So, that's all for today. Go through this part of the story, and the next part we'll discuss in the next video. Thank you.